Okay, let's start. We'll share the screen. Hope you are able to see my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So let's start again enterprise structure, because yesterday I too also felt like it was very speedy, and sorry for that. Let's start again with the enterprise structure configuration in the system. So as we know, there are two parts, right? As we know, there are two parts. One is a definition part, another will be a assignment part. So if you see the definition part, whatever we have a one business, entire business process. Within the entire business process, we have a various departments or various organizational units. Those departments or organizational units, how we are doing the configuration in the SAP system. Anyhow, we have a entire blueprint of the enterprise structure, entire mapping of the enterprise structure. This enterprise structure, whatever you are seeing na, in this enterprise structure, we are going to construct in the SAP system, right? SAP system. And there are two parts. One is a definition part. Definition means we are going to create and naming the individual departments, individual units, individual organizational elements or organizational units. We call it as a, these blocks will be called as a unit or element. Okay. And in this unit, we saw some units are belongs to the finance module. So what are all those? Company and company code. These are belongs to the finance module, and these two organizational elements and these two organizational units are okay. Who is going to create these organizational units? FI consultant. FI consultant is responsible to define or create the organizational units. Whereas sales and distribution, as we are learning here, sales and distribution module, we are responsible for to create sales organization, distribution channel, division, sales office, and sales group, and even the shipping point. These six elements, total 10 elements are there. So two elements belongs to FI module, six elements belongs to the SD module, and two more plant and storage location. This and this will be the responsibility of consulting. Is this clear, guy? Definition part?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So to configure or to build this structure, so where we will go? We will go in the SPRO. SPRO. What is SPRO? Can tell someone? SPRO means what? SAP.
But implementation
Pro-
guide.
no, that is IMG. SPRO means SAP Project Reference Object. This is the full form of SPRO, SAP Project Reference Object. There is a SAP project. We do the object reference, and we are going to configure our business process, business structures. Okay. And here SAP reference IMG. What it means? SAP reference IMG means the SAP is saying we have already standard configurations and standard customization in the implementation guide. So implementation guide means that is a guide which will, okay, which will guide the, okay, there is a some set of configurations, set of customization. Those are already available in the SAP system. Those are all standard. Those you can refer it, and you can do the, with that reference you can go for the implementation of for your business process. This is the meaning of SAP reference IMG, because we should not disturb the standard settings or standard configurations. With the help of those already existing is there, that we are going to copy it and configure it. Okay. So this is the IMG. IMG means what? Implementation guide. IMG. Implementation guide. Clear? What is SPRO? SAP project reference object. What is IMG? Implementation guide. This is the guide for the implementation. So many nodes are there, so many folders are there. So we will learn one by one whenever we are going to, like, complete our entire sales and distribution model. We have some nodes, we are some usable nodes, some we are not using, because here whatever this implementation guide is there, it consists of all the modules configuration and customization settings. Here itself we will see the configurations, SD configuration, finance configuration, controlling configurations, right? So many models will be there in the within this implementation guide. Now let us start our organizational structure or enterprise structure of the definition part. Okay, later I will go for the assignment part. So let us construct this building block or our business process or our company as per the same. So where we have to go? So the path is, see, definition. This is the definition part. This is the definition part. The path is here. Path is here. SPRO, IMG, enterprise structure. ES means enterprise structure definition. Otherwise, you can use the path is SIMG. Okay, SIMG, enterprise structure and definition. This is the shortcut path to jump into the directly IMG screen. If I go /n, this is the initial screen, SIMG. SIMG is the T code to jump into the implementation guide. Then go to the enterprise structure. What is this? Next is enterprise structure. Enterprise structure. Now I am going into definition folder, definition node. So where we will define our each and every organizational element or organizational unit. We will define company, we will define company code, we will define sales organization, distribution channel, division, sales office, sales group, right? Plant, storage location, shipping point. And always remember, in real-time scenario, these two we are not going to create. These two we are not going to create. Sorry. These two we are not going to create, and these two also we are not going to define or create. In real-time scenario, this will be done by the FI consultant, this will be done by the MM consultant. Only six elements, these 5 and this one 6 will be the responsibility of SD consultant. Let us start. Since it is a test system or practice system, there is no FI consultant, there is no MM consultant. We will be acting as a FI, MM, SD consultant. We are creating the FI elements and even though MM elements, SD elements. Let us start with the company. Okay. So Where the company is there under enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, define. So now I am going to define the group company. Company means it is a group company or parent company or subsidiary company. So where we will create a company. Okay. So here you can use copy method. You can use this copy method because I have mentioned there is no copy method also. You can use copy method also. You cannot use copy method also. Copy method, it is very easy for you to again editable option. But I mentioned only company code and plant. Why copy method? Because within this company code, whenever you are copying, there are lot of background setting will be there. There are some GL accounts. Okay, there are some FI related second like settings, financial postings. Okay, financial variant. Okay, and chart of accounts. Those kind of settings already existing with the financial account like company code. So that's why this and this element will go for the copy method. Rest all will be new entries. Okay, rest all will be new entries. Go to define company. Okay, click on new entries. Click on new entries. Enter your company. So now today, what I will do, I will do one thing. Okay, I will take Sun Pharma. Okay. Sun Pharmacy. SU01. Sun Pharmacy. Okay, Sun Pharmacy Private Limited. Okay, or Sun Pharmacy Group Company. Group Company. And here also I will give SU Sun Pharma Group. Enter the street name. Okay, near Charmina. Okay, post box number same Charmina. Postal code, for example, again it is a something 3000. Okay, and city it is Hyderabad, and country will be India. Language key, which language we are using? English. And what is the currency of our company? Since we are in India, our currency will be INR. So these many entries you have to do to create your company. Okay, usually this will be done by the FI consultant and no need to worry about during the real time project. Okay, during the real time project, and these address details, whatever may be the company name, whatever may be the group company name, it will be given by the business user. See, as a consultant, you will visit Sun Pharma company, and Sun Pharma company will inform you which address you have to be typed here. Okay, what is the company name? Every details will be given by the business user. Accordingly, the FI consultant will do the configuration or definition part. And this also, the company code also, whatever the company the nomenclature is using to define it, this is also the FI consultant will inform to the business user. I am going to name it as a like this. If you have any objection, you can tell me. If you want particular your own like code is available in your mind, it is welcome to suggest also. Okay, it is a like it is a discussion in between the business user and the implementation partner. Business user and the implementation partner. So as per their suggestion also, they may go to create, or consultant also they may go to suggest their own terminology or nomenclatures. Finally, we have to listen the business user requirement because they are the payer for the SAP implementation, right? Just we are providing our service as a implementation partner. We are working with TCS, we are working with the Infosys, we are working with the Wipro. So we are working under IT sector as a SD consultant, right? Our job is to listen the business user requirement. We should not object their requirement. Okay. Once this is done, what you will do? You will save this document. See, again, the customizing request is asking. This is a transport request. As I explained yesterday, the transport request is, it is a envelope or container, right? It is a envelope or container or a one box, right? Where whatever may be the definition of the part, like definition of the configuration of the definition part and configure or customization of the assignment part. Entire settings, whatever we are doing assignment and definition settings, those settings will be stored in this transport request number. Now it is showing yesterday's only. What I will do, I will create new one. I will create new one because this container or this TR number is belongs to yesterday's company code, that is AC28. Now I have created SU01 as a Sun Pharma company group of company that belongs to a different project. So I am going to create a new request. How you will create a new request? By clicking on this create request. Just click on this create request. It will be asked for the description of the project, description of the configuration name, description of the customizing name. So what I will give, Sun Pharma, Sun Pharma Group Company Project. Okay. So after entering the description of the transport requester, what you will do, you will click on the save button. You will click on the save button. See, once I click on the save button, the transport request number has been changed. Earlier it was 89. Last two digit will be 89. Now it is showing it is 95. In this container or in this folder or in this envelope or in this box, my all configurational and customization settings will be stored here. I will mention the TR number. You also do it. Why we have to copy and paste it this TR number? Because this number we have to give it to the basis consultant. How he as a SD consultant, there is a basis consultant, and his job is whatever the functional module consultant they are doing the configurations and customizations, they do the transfer of these settings, these developments from one system to another system, one system to another system. What are all the systems? Now I am into the development system. Now I am here. Okay, the 100 cleared. Okay, this is think that this is a 100 cleared. I am doing the configuration and customization here. From this system to this system, how the data will be transferred? So with the help of transport request, with the help of transport request only. How they will move? So they use, basis team will use the T code SCC4. There is a separate T code. Actually, I tried to do this. Let me complete this. Now, this is clear, right? I have taken this number. Now, I am clicking on the continue. Okay. Now, my data has been stored. Means my company details has been stored in that container or transport request number. Now I tried before starting this class SCC4, SCC4, because they what they have made, whatever the ABAP related or basis related T codes are there, they have not given the access. See, it is throwing an error. It is throwing an error. What it is throwing an error? You are not authorized to use the transaction code SCC4. Some transaction code they have restricted, because if it is authorized to me, I can misutilize the system. There might be a collapse of the system. So that's why they have not given the access. So usually, even though this is not related to the SD consultant job, what you have to do as a SD consultant, you have to note down this number, TR number, and you have to give it to the basis consultant. When you have to give your configurational settings has been completed, then only once it is completed, then only you have to give. In between the configuration, you should not give that transport request number. Clear? Let me ask if you have any doubt, because today I will go very slow and systematic manner so that you will understand each and every concept. Any doubt, guys?
No,
Please speak.
No, sir.
no,
It
sir.
is clear. It is clear, right? Each and every step I am explaining very slowly so that you can grasp the concept.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Fine. Let's go. My company group company has defined. Okay. So you can see here. So once you come back again, go to define company code. Okay. Company. So you can see if there are plenty of the entries are there, just you enter your group company code here. See SU01. I have the details. If you double click on this, you will get the detailed address and detailed name. Okay. And you can select, you can opt here by clicking on the details also. If you double click also, okay, you can select this, you can select this. Okay. This is a change button. Display to change to display. If you click this, it will be display mode. Okay. If you click this, it will be change mode. Okay. Again, if you want to copy method, you can use by copy method also. How you have to do that copy method? Just select this, copy as, then you can overwrite here. You can do the overwrite here. That is the copy method. Or else you can use the new entry method also. Only the copy method, what it will help, some data, if the similar data is exist in this, you can avoid the entries. You can skip the entries. For example, I am using Indian company, right? For example, think that keen some like Shreya is going to create her group company. What she will do, she will select this and she will copy as, and whatever the INR is there, she will not edit, right? She will keep as it is only. She will do wherever the necessary entries or override will be done. So this will help to manual entries, like more manual work will be reduced. That is only the copy option. Okay, right. Now next step is what? So now I have created the company. Let me write here. What is the company? SU01. SU01. Now next is company code. This is also finance consultant is responsible to do the company code entries. What you will do? Go here. Okay. Go to SPRO, IMG, enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting. Under this, you have a edit, copy, delete, check, company code. If you go here, okay, there is a two option. One is a copy, another is a edit. Okay. So now, if you go to edit mode, you will see the various company codes already has been created by the multiple users. Multiple users. Okay. You can opt it. You can go as copy as method also. Okay. You can do as copy as method also. Or else what you will do? You will go here, copy, delete, check company code. Okay. I am using always this method only. Okay. I am using always this method only. You also use this method, copy, delete, check company code. Okay. After this, you will get screen like this. You will get screen like this. This is a blank. And don't worry about the screen blank. There is a second icon. There is a second icon, copy organizational object. If you click on this, you will get a copy pop-up. Okay, this pop-up will guide you. You have to enter the from company code. So the from company code will be it is a reference company code. From that company code, you are copying the all the company code data, and you are transferring those data or pasting those data into your company code. This is a from company code. This is your company code. I'm entering 1710. 1710 is why it is a standard company codes. Okay. SAP has provided two standard company codes. SAP has given two standard, standard company codes. Okay. What are all those? One is a company code. It is company code. It is 1710. It is a US based company, and another company code. There is a 1000. It is a Dutch based company. Okay, usually Dutch here it should be there, but I don't know why it is not there. Close this. I will show you here. Edit company code. Here the 1000 should be there usually. I don't know. This is 001. They have made 001. You can use 1000 or 001. Earlier in ECC, they used to do 1000. Now they have made 001. This is a Dutch based company. Okay. So now I'm going to same, right? Copy, delete, check company code. Double click on this. Click on the second icon. Enter the 1710 company code and enter here your company code. What is your company code? You are going to give the name. You are going to decide. You are going to decide at that key. You are using a SU01 as your company code name. Okay. So click on continue. So once it is asking for the GL accounts, so till the end of the this entire transaction, you have to say yes. Only one step you have to say no. Okay, where I will guide you. So here also yes. Okay, INR here in third, after third step, it will ask for the currency, local currency. It is INR. Then click on continue. Then it is saying, see, some object has not been copied. It's okay. Click on continue. Click on continue. Okay, again click on continue. See, whenever you get this number range management messages, okay, you say how to say no. Why? I will explain you later when the BP configuration or sales document configuration or delivery document configuration or billing document type configuration, there is a one option or one control field called as a internal number range and external number range. During that time, I will explain you why we have not been copied as a transport number range. Okay. So as of now, you just understood and understand that key. You have to click on the no. Just enter no. Then see, there are a lot of tables exist in the company code 1710. Those will be copied and it will be pasted to your company code. Okay. Again, the pop-up is coming for the customization request. What you will do, you will check your transport request. See, I am checking my transport request. It is 95. Again, I am going here. This is 95. Yes, this transport request is belongs to me. So that company code data configuration setting also I am storing in this transport request, in this container or in this envelope. Click on continue. So again, all tables data is being copied from 1710 to from your company code. See, already copy has been completed. Some there are interval subject is some showing this error. You whenever you get this, you click on cancel. Okay. Again, if you get this, you say copy. Usually, you will not get in every system like this. I don't know. Some maybe some FI issue will be there. Because of that, this is getting. So that one number is not one number range is not copied. So because of that, without that one number range, so it is eliminating. It is showing the message. Okay. Again, after this, you click on the continue. So your activities is completed. Which activity? Copying from 1710 company code to SU01 company code. This activity has been completed. Once it is completed, okay, again go back. Okay, go back. What you have to do? You have to go to the second option, edit company code. Why? Because I have copied from the 1710. 1710. The whatever the name is showing for my SU01, I will go to the position, click on position, click on SU01, press enter. See, the name is showing as company code, yes, company code 1710. This is not my company code or this is not my company's name. So why it is coming? Because I have used the copy method. Okay. So double click on this. So change here the name. What is the name? Sun Pharma, Sun Pharma, Sun Pharmacy or Sun Pharmacy Private Limited. Sun Pharmacy Private Limited. This is my company name. And which city it is there? It is in Hyderabad city. Okay. What is the region here? The region is Indian country, IN. And INR and EN automatically it is coming. Okay, no need to edit it. What next? Press enter. After this, you have to go from the right side. See, there is a icon, right? These are all the icons. So from the right side, you have to go to the second icon. So what it indicates, it is a address tab. Address tab where you click on this icon, you will update your company's address details. And this company address details will be given by the business user to the is like FI consultant. So there is a some certificate of incorporation is will be there. Okay, certification of incorporation will be there. So where the company is registered under Companies Act. Companies Act. Okay. So that Companies Act department like in certificate of incorporation government office that will be issue the CIN, certificate of incorporation. So based on that, there is an address and there is a name. With reference to that, the FI consultant will enter the company name. Sun Pharmacy Private Limited. Again, I will use SU01. And don't worry about this part. This will be given by the user end. User like business user will give the all the details. Okay. And as per that details, the FI consultant will enter here. Okay. And moreover, you are not responsible for to do this. This is for just your practice purpose because without company, we cannot run the our sales operations. Why? Because I am assigning my sales organization to which it is company code, right? I am assigning my sales organization to company code. So whatever the Sales organization is doing the sales business or sales activity or sales process. So that will be okay. That sales will be converted into company's revenue. After the sales, after the billing, what is the next? There is a revenue recognition, right? Your company is going to get the amount from the customer. IN. Here my region is since it is Hyderabad, Telangana, it is 13, I think. Not 13. I think it is Telangana, right? I think 19 or something it is. Punjab. If you are not able to see, then if you click on this icon, you will get the list of the states. Telangana is 36. Okay. Click on this, double click on this. Telangana is selected. My time zone will be India and jurisdiction. So for each districts, there will be a tax jurisdiction will be there. Okay, that again it will be issued by the finance under the finance department. There is a taxation team will be there. You have to ask to that guy. They will issue the jurisdiction code. Okay, in US it is common. It is a mandatory. So because of that they are maintaining. But in India it is mandatory to maintain GST code. Okay, so GST code the FI consultant will be maintained somewhere in the I think somewhere in the here somewhere they will maintain. Okay, that is not our part. Okay, but I will show you where the customer GST number will be maintained in the customer master. That is also one of the important parameter during the interview. Okay, they will ask during the interview where you will maintain the customer GST number in the BPR customer master. That I will explain you during the BP configuration. Now the post box number is Charminar post box and postal code is same as this. Okay, here it is English. If you want to enter phone number, you can enter the phone number. If you want to fax number, you can enter the fax number. If you have landline number, you can enter here. If you have an extension, you can enter here. Okay, whatever may be the data maximum. So this you can enter with the help of business users. Okay, you will ask business users and you will collect the data and you will enter here. Who? FI consultant. Okay. After entering all the details, click on continue. So once the data is entered, press enter, then click on save. After saving, again it will ask for the transport request number. Okay. What I will do, again I will go, I will check my transport request number. It is belongs to mine. Okay, then 95. It is belongs to mine only. Then again I am storing that data also in this same transport request. Now data has been saved. You have to see like whenever you are doing anything now, you have to observe this. If you double click this, you will get the pop-up and it is showing the data was saved. Okay. This message always you have to get. Otherwise, if you throwing any error, there is some wrong setting or wrong configuration has been done from your end. Okay. Then go back. So your company code has been edited. After definition, you are going to edit and edit has been completed. Again save, go back. So both the parties over. Now these two has been this portion and this portion. Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Naresh, Akash, Kishore, Mani, Nagesh, Shreya, Srivani, Suchita.
No doubts. No, sir.
No, sir.
No doubts.
Okay, fine. This is
Yeah.
fine, right? Today's speed is fine.
Yeah. Sir, one question is there.
Who is this?
Naresh.
Naresh. Tell me,
Uh,
Naresh.
Sir, if we have group of company, then we need to create company and then company code, right?
Right.
If company having individual company, then there is
Company
no.
is not, then group company is not necessary. I told, right? I
So we have
told during
to
the,
company code, right?
right, we have to start with the company code. I
Okay.
told during the class,
Mm-hmm.
this is not physical existent, right?
Hmm.
This is just, it is a name of the group company. Even though we are maintaining the address here, but it is a only one like address. Okay, that is just for the sake of mentioning there. Okay, but the physical existence is this. Physical existence is this. This is a physical location where the company, manufacturing company or business is exist, and this is a legal entity is there with the GST registration will be there, and it is registered under, okay, registered under GST compliance, and this will be responsible for profit and loss statement. This is responsible for the financial statement. Whatever the company is having a multiple department, plant is one department, right? Plant is a, it is a production department or material management department. Sales organization is a sales department or sales and marketing department. They are doing the sales business. Plant is doing the manufacturing business, right? Manufacturing activity. Manufacturing, once the stock is produced, that stock will be updated in some GL account, right? That inventory account will be updated, and that inventory account will be linked to the company code. And whenever the sales happen, the sales revenue will be recognized, right? That will be transferred to the company code, right? Here the company code is a main, right? It is a full basement of the entire arc structure.
Okay.
And this is not mandatory, because as I said, if there is a group company, then only you are going to create. Otherwise, if you are having no group companies, you can start with the company code. Why I have explained? Because everyone has to know this.
Hmm.
During the theory class itself, I have told this is not mandatory.
Sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Others, clear? You also remember this concept.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Now, as of now, we have created two org elements. Let us go to start our main org elements, that is sales and distribution org elements. Now, where we will go? This is finance accounting part is over, right? FI consultant job is over. Now, I am going to our main role, SD role, right? Again, same enterprise structure, definition. Under definition, you have a sales and distribution folder or node. So you will do this, you will do this, you will do this, and you will do this. And one more important, there is no division, right? Division will come under logistics general. If you drop down this, you will have a division. Okay. Now let us start with the sales organization. Define sales organization. Now I am going to click on the define sales organization. Okay. Let us go to the new entries. Again, I am using the same coding SU01 because it is easy for remembering, and it is easy for whenever you enter the sales area data, or whenever you process the sales order. Okay, whenever you process the BP configuration, whenever you process the material master, customer master, it is easy for remember. Okay, you have to maintain the same thing only, and in the real time also, usually they use the same coding also. Okay, and business user also, they will feel okay, very happy, because it is easy remember for, like, it is easy to remember for them. Now it is what is that? Sun Pharma. Sun Pharma sales org. Okay. Here enter the currency INR Okay, INR. And here there are other entries also there. Here, this is a very important parameter. I will explain you why this will be used. And this is you ignore. This is a just address, text name, letterhead, text name. You ignore about this. The important parameter is this one will be coming from where I will show you, and this is also very important parameter where when you do the intercompany sales, when you do the intercompany sales, this will be coming into the picture. And this is also very important parameter. If you apply the sales organization calendar, means if your corporate office or if your regional sales officers are having a, okay, they are working only 5 days. Okay, they are working a 5 days. So then your sales order will not be okay, not will be processed during the weekend. Then even though if you process it, your delivery date, confirmed delivery date will be shown after 2 days only. For example, if you are entering a sales order during the Saturday or Sunday, whenever you enter that, your delivery delivery date and confirmed quantity will show after 2 days. This is about the sales organization calendar. So they are their working calendar from Monday to Friday. If you are applying Monday to Saturday, there will be a separate calendar. So based on that calendar configuration, you can apply here. This calendar, working calendar detail will be maintained by the, okay, either finance guy or maybe some PP guy. Okay, PP, MM or finance guy, they will maintain the working calendars. Only you will use here, that's it. You will assign here. And this is for intercompany sales. And this yearly data for purchase order. I have already mentioned one questionnaire is on this in the my document number 8, which is kept under drive. Okay. So if you go through that, you will find one question on this. This is helped for the automatic conversion of the PR to PO. Automatic conversion of the PR to PO. Okay. So that's why they have maintained yearly data for the purchase order. Okay. If you maintain some data here, whenever you do the third party sales or IPO sales, the system will automatically create the purchase order. No need to create manually by using T code ME21N. Okay, that I will explain you. Don't worry. Just I am explaining the just brief overview about. And even though whenever there is a rebate process, rebate means settlement. There is a some additional like special discount will be there. That is based on the some sales target. So there is a separate topic, that is rebate or settlement process. So I have not mentioned here in my topic course content because it is not covered. If I let me try to, okay, understand first rebate process, then if possible I will explain the rebate process also. Clear? Okay, so only this entry, and currency. These three, after these three entry, press on enter. Okay, so it will ask for the some warning. No worries. You are anyhow you are using INR currency only. Press continue. Okay, then you are going to again second icon. Click on the address. You are maintaining your corporate office address. Sales organization is your corporate office, right? Here, Sun Pharmacy. Okay, I will mention corp office. Okay, and I will use search term as SU01 only, and address I will give some, okay, same only. It is actually based on the actual address only that will be given by the business user. Just you enter randomly, okay, for the sake of to run the transaction or to construct your enterprise structure. Just enter space, only just click on space. You will get the data here. Okay. Again, I am entering the space. Again, here it will not come. You have to enter manually. I'm keeping blank. Okay. If you want to enter, you can enter and you can click on the continue. Once it is done, click on the save button. Again, it will pop up the same address pop up. Okay. Again, click on continue. So it will ask for the TR number. So again, you will go here, your TR number will be same. Then if it is same, you are saving that sales organizational configuration in the same transport request number. Click on continue. So data was saved. Go back. So you can see your sales organization. If you go here, you can see here, you can see the your sales organization is SU01. Go back. Close this. Now this part is over. Now distribution channel. Let us go distribution channel. Where is the distribution channel? It is in the same folder only here. So click on this, define, copy, delete, check distribution channel. Distribution channel is a 2 digits alphanumeric, right? Distribution channel is a 2 digits alphanumeric. What you will do? Just I will create 2 distribution channel because for your better understanding, I'm going to create 2 distribution channel. How you will create? Simple, by clicking on the new entries. Click on new entries. I will mention S1, S1, and I will mention S2. S2. Here I will mention wholesale. Okay, I will mention wholesale. I will mention retail. This is the channel. How I will sell my product to the customer. How my product will reach us to the customer through either it is through wholesale or it is through retail. Okay. I have created S1, S2. Press on, click on save. So after that, again it will ask the TR request, the same TR request number. I am clicking on the continue. See, data was saved. Let me mention here S1, comma S2. Done. Let me go back. See, you can see here where it is there S1, S2. See S1 and S2. Go back, close. Now, what is the next step? Next step is division. Where is the division? It is in logistics general. Okay, logistics general. And whatever I have mentioned in the bracket, that is a role of consultant, SD consultant. And here FI consultant, here MM consultant, here MM consultant. In the bracket, whatever I have mentioned, that is particular module consultant role. And he is the responsible to create that particular element. Now I am going to the logistics general. I am collapsing this. Okay. Expanding this. Click on the define, copy, delete, check division. Okay. Define division. Again, I am going to 2 kind of product or 3 kind of product, whatever may be. So my division will indicate the product line or categorization of product. I will mention S1. Okay. I will mention S2. Okay. I will mention S3. Okay. This 3 is enough as of now. Okay. General medicine. This is S1 is my general medicine. And next one is cardiology product. Cardiology product. Next one is dermatology product. dermatology. Okay. If you want, again, S4 also you can maintain where dental care product. Usually this is related to the heart diseases. This is related to the skincare diseases. And this is related to the dental care products, dental related products. And general medicine, normally headache, right, fever, those kind of general medicines. Click on the save. Again, it is asking for the TR request number. You are saving the your division configuration in the same TR number. Now data was saved. Let us go here. We'll mention the division number S1, S2, S3, and finally is S4. And whenever you are preparing a user manual, now you will mention the description of this also. What is SU01? What is this SU01? What is this SU01? What is this S1? What is this S2? What is this S1 and S2 and S3 and S4? Whenever the functional consultant will create a user manual. Okay, user manual means after the, like, before implementing, before giving the, like, before moving the production, go to the production system. So he will mention the user, you will create the user manual, and he will take the entire okay, entire process flow training to the end users or core users. Okay, so during that, so he will show the details of the user manual in the quality system or pre-production system. There might be another system also. There might be a chances of another system also. It is a production. There might be another sorry, production system is 300, right? The client ID will 300. If they use pre-production system as a maybe okay, three like 200, 250 or 210 as a pre-production system, then there might be a chances of moving that. Okay, moving that again, go live settings or go live test in the 290 or 250 system. That can also be done. So now I have created 4 divisions. I have saved everything. Let's go back. What is the next org element? What is the next org element? Next org element is my sales office. So where will be the sales office? You will find that sales office in the sales and distribution. Okay. Just go here, maintain sales office. Maintain sales office, define sales office, create sales office, one and all same. Only sometimes they use maintain, sometimes define. Okay. Click on the new entries. So what is the my sales office? I'm going to enter SU01. What is my sales office? My sales office is Sun Pharma Hyderabad sales office. Sun Pharma Hyderabad sales office. Press enter. It will be asking for the address details. Click here. It is just company. You will click on this. Instead of corporate office, you will say sales. Okay. Here I will cut here space. Okay, Sun Pharmacy sales office. Search term will be same here. Again, near Charminar. Okay. Again, here we go one. Here postal code. Here Hyderabad. Here India. And here 36. Here the Charminar PO box number, postal code, phone number. If you want to enter email ID, then you can continue. And again, these details will be given by the sales team guy or business user. Okay. The SD consultant will collect this information from the business user. From that, okay, from that information, he will input manually who SD consultant. Click on continue, then save. Now sales office has been done. If you want to create one more, you can do that. It is easy. I will do that. Copy method. Click on this. Okay, let's go back. Let's go back. Okay. Now I have saved, right? I have saved this. I have selected this. I will go for the copy as method. Instead of SU01, I will mention SU02. Okay. Here I will mention the BNG, Bangalore Sales Office. Okay. Press enter. Once you enter, you will get the automatically the already previously entered details. So what you have to do, just you have to overwrite it. Instead of Hyderabad, it is BNG. I will mention BNG. There also I am going to change. Here I will mention, okay, World Trade Center WTC. Okay, here I will mention 001. Here I will mention 5 all zeros, 56001. Here I will mention the Bangalore. It is Bangalore is in Karnataka. It is 10. Okay. Postal code also it is okay. Rajaji Nagar. Okay. The again the pin code is same as previous, and telephone number I will mention. Mobile number will be like this order. Okay. Then click on continue. See, the Bangalore sales office has been created. Now, if you click on the save button, then data has been saved. If you go up, okay, what I will do, I will change the name. Okay, go back here. One minute. Why I did slowly? Okay, sorry. You can go here. Very slow. Okay, okay. Now, how to edit here? Double click this or select this. Go to address. Address I will mention here Hyderabad HYD. Okay. So again continue. Save. Again it is asking for the TR number to store the change data. Click on continue. So this is how you can change. Select this. Go here address data. So how to select? Fully select. You have to select fully. Then go to the address data. Okay. If you want to change again here also, you can select this. You can go here address details. You can change the whatever you want. Okay. Now I have created two sales office. One Bangalore sales office, another Hyderabad sales office. Okay. Let me go here. SU01 is one office. SU02 is another office. Again, drop down here, SIMG select, continue. So go to enterprise structure, definition. So where we are under sales and distribution node or folder. So this part is over. Now what I am going to do, I am going to create my sales group. So how many divisions I have created? There are 4 divisions: general medicines, cardiology, and dermatology, and dental care. So for each division, there is a each sales group, right? Each sales group. Let me go here. So either you can click new entries. What I will do, I have 4 divisions here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have selected this. Click on copy as. Okay. Here I will change the name. SU1 or SU0, sorry, SU0. What I have given here? S1, na? Right? It is better SU01, right? I will use SU1 here, SU2. It is a 3-digit. Always remember, sales group will be 3-digit. SU3, SU4. Why 1, 2, 3, 4 I have created? Because division also I have created 1, 2, 3, 4. So that it is easy for remember. Sales group 1. Sales group 1 will be, okay, let me go here. Here, mention sales group 1. Here, sales group 2. Here, sales group 3. And here I will overwrite 4. Okay. Now, this is general medicine. I will mention as a GENMAD. Okay. This is cardiology. Cardio. Okay. This is dermatology. Dermato. Okay. And this is dental. Dental. So there are 4 sales group, and group will be defined or represented by 3 digits alphanumeric letter. Press enter. So once you press enter, there are 4 number of entries. Then click on save. See, same TR number. I am clicking on the continue. My data will be stored in the same TR. Okay. So go back. See, you can see your sales groups. What is the group name? Group code is SU1, SU2, SU3, and SU4. Now, again, these two are MM consultant or MM module consultant, functional consultant job. So you are not responsible to create plant and storage location. This is a MM consultant job. Here there is no MM consultant. You will be act as a MM consultant. And I have mentioned clearly the plant will be going for the copy method. Copy method. Let us go where plant will be there. It is available in logistics general. Where storage location will be there, it is in material management. So how you can identify here? You have to remember SPRO, IMG, enterprise structure, definition. Under the definition, there is a logistics general node. Okay. So go to the logistics general node. Enterprise structure, definition, logistics general node. Drop down this. See, there is a defined plant. There is a copy delete check plant. I am selecting the copy delete check plant because copy method. Click on this copy delete check plant. Double click first option. Double click. So you will get same as a whenever you have created the company code, similar screen you can see here. So second icon is the copy organization object from to. Which plant you are copying from? 1710. Which plant you are going to define? You are going to define your plant as SU01 and all the data, whatever the 1710 is having, it will be copied from here to here. Click on continue. Only at one step you have to say no. So now I'm going to continue. See here, whenever it is asked for the number ranges, you have to say no. So again, it is asking for the TR number. This is belongs to your TR number only. Okay. So click on this, continue. Click on this, continue. My mouse is not working properly. Sometimes it will select double times. Okay. So don't worry on that part. Okay. If that whatever the pop-up has shown. That is because of double click only. Now the message is showing plant 1710 is copied to SU0. Click on continue. If you see the completed activity, the action is what carried out. It is plant 1710 is copied to SU01. This indicates the entire process has been completed. Go back. Okay. Go back and sorry. We have to save, right? Whether it is saved or no problem. Go to define. Go to define whether it is there or not. Here it is there, right? If you double click this, okay, just change the name. What is that? Sun Pharma manufacturing plant. Manufacturing plant. I am not entering any second name. If you want to enter, you just enter Sun Pharma plant 1. Plant 1. Maybe in future plant 2 also will come. So there are some entries which we cannot able to edit. It is grayed out, right? It is grayed out, or it is like it is uneditable. Right? What you have to do to edit this, you have to select to the address, second icon from the right side. Click on the address. Here you are mentioning the company. You are right. I will do one thing. I will close this because I want to copy this, because I want to avoid the manual entries. I am pasting that. Whatever I have copied, I am pasting here. Okay. Again, that second same Sun Pharma, whatever do. Okay. I will paste here. Instead of manufacturing, I am delete manufacturing. Here I will enter plant 1. SU01. Here I will take okay, I will take the street number or whatever may be, like Patancheru. The plant is in Patancheru, okay, Hyderabad. I will take the name as 335 and district is Hyderabad. Take that Hyderabad only. And here for example, instead of 00, I will take 50 randomly. And this is also Hyderabad city. Here I will enter the IN. Here I will take the Telangana 36. Okay. The time zone will be India. Jurisdiction, I'm keeping blank. Post box number, again, it is same as this one. I'm sorry. And postal code, same as this only. And enter whatever, if you want to enter the mobile number, you can enter here. Email ID, you can enter here. Press continue. So once it is done, again it is showing the same details. Click on the press enter button. Okay, press enter button, then click on the save. Let's do the save, and you will get the TR number. It is belongs to yours only. Continue. So once it is done, it is showing everything has been changed as per your entry. But here USA California, it is showing Y means I have to change the factory calendar as per my India. What is that factory calendar code? It is IN. Press enter, it is changed. And these two I will explain you during the tax determination procedure. During the tax determination procedure. These two fields are used for the tax determination procedures. There is a separate topic for the tax determination. Okay. Again, click on the save. So data has been saved. Okay, no problem. Click enter. Again, click on the save button. So data has been already saved. Go back. So your plant has been created. Go back. Now, plant B have been determined as a SU01. This is your plant. Here. Now, storage location. So, as I explained earlier, the storage location, definition part, and assigning to the plant or maintaining within the plant will be done in the definition part only. During this assignment part, we are not assigning storage location to plant separately. There is in one step only the storage location will be defined and assigned within the plant. How? You can see here. See what, where is the storage location will be maintained under the node of material management. See, this is the material management. How? SPROIMGES definition. You are going to the folder or material management folder. So just drop down this second icon or second node details will be maintain storage location. Click on this. So it will ask for your plant. What is your plant? Just now you created, right? SU01 is your plant. Click on continue. So already so many storage location it is reflecting. Why? Because we have copied from 1710. Whatever the 1710 which is having the same storage location copied to your plant also. In this case, what you have to do, because this storage location not belongs to yours, right? You will delete it. How you are going to delete? Select all, click on this red icon, delete button. So all entries will be deleted. Click on this, continue, continue. So all entries got deleted. After deleting this, what you have to do? You have to click on this save button. So again, it will ask the TR number. Now done. If you go back, if you see again, if you again see SU01 your plant code, continue. So there is a blank. There is no any storage location. What I will do? I will click on new entries. What I will maintain here, since my plant code is SU01, I will mention the same name. SU01 is the storage location where my finished product, okay, finished goods are stored. Finished goods storage location, or it will not come. Shall I write in short FG storage location? I will mention as FG. FG means finished goods. Next, I will take SU02. What I will mention? I will mention as a, okay, I will mention as a, for example, I will mention RM storage location. RM storage location. SU03, I will mention as a, RM mention as a return storage location. RE storage location. RE means return. RM means raw material. Okay. So these three low storage location is enough. Click on this save. Then again it will ask for the TR number. You are saving those data in the same TR number. If you want to maintain this storage location address, what you will do? You will click on this. You will click on the address storage location. Double click on this. Click on the new entries. Then enter the something number like B1 or B2, maybe B1 block. Okay, same. If you after this select this, press enter. Okay, then you will get the address details. You can enter manually all the address detail of your storage location. I'm not entering here. Okay, just I'm going back. Okay, just save. Okay. So if you want to maintain, you can maintain. And in interview, they will ask where you will maintain the address detail within the storage location. Okay. If they ask, you have to say within the while we maintaining the storage location under the definition part. Okay. So if you select it, there is a left side, there is a address of the storage location tab. Like option, we have to select this and we have to maintain the address details here. Okay. This is how we can maintain the address details here. I have deleted. Okay. I'm not maintaining any address details. If you want, you can maintain. Go back. So I have created three storage locations. SU01, SU02, SU03. This is how about the storage location. This completes. Last is shipping point. So shipping point where it will be maintained SPRO, IMG, enterprise structure, definition. This is the path. Under the definition, you will have a logistics execution folder. And this will be a responsibility of SD consultant. SD consultant will create this or define this shipping point. So let us go the path. Okay. Enterprise structure, definition, logistics execution. Drop down this. Here you can see the define shipping. Click on this. Okay. So these are all the shipping points already they have created. Now I am going to create new one. New one. What is that? SU01. SU01. Okay. Now what is the shipping point? It is a, I will mention manual, manual loading shipping point for SQ. This much only you can accommodate because characteristic is allowed only this much. Then press enter. So factory calendar is our Indian factory calendar. Okay. If you want to give the working timing hours, you can give that. If you want to determine like this will I'm going to explain during the okay during the ATPR delivery scheduling. Okay, I will explain you about these fields. As of now, you ignore this. Okay, just what I have entered, this, and this. After this, click on the address tab. Okay, go to here, maintain. Sorry, I will do one thing. Close this. I will copy this. I want to reduce my manual work. Okay, because of that only I copied here. If you want to enter, you can enter SU01. Here you can accommodate the this thing. Okay. Here you can give the SU01 term and where is your plant? Which is your plant is in Patancheru, right? Patancheru. Because this shipping point within the plant it is available, right? And here 335. Here the postal code is same as Patancheru, Hyderabad, and India, and 36 postal code is Patancheru, and so post PO box is Patancheru, postal code is same as above, telephone number also same. If you want to give email ID, you can give. Click on continue. Now press enter, done, then save. Again, it is asking the same pop-up. Click on continue. Then TR request. It is asking the TR request. It is same as mine only. I'm going to store my data in the same TR number. Now data was. So this is about the definition part. If you have any doubt, please feel free to ask. How do you feel today? If it is okay, or you have to reduce the speed again. How do you feel, friends?
It is okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
It is.
It's okay, sir.
Right. So everyone has understood everything, right? You can able to do from your end, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, one doubt.
Huh. Akash,
Uh,
Akash,
yeah,
बोलिए.
sir, when you say like storage location is assigned and defined at the same time, so definition is fine, but how do you say it is assigned?
See, whenever you have been entered into the material management, right?
Hmm.
what you are doing, you are just simply clicking there. Okay.
Yeah.
But here, if you are not entering the plant, right?
Okay.
If
Mm-hmm.
you are not entering the, there is no think that there is no option of plant.
Okay.
Simply you are going to create.
Yeah.
Then in that case, if you only define, then where you are going to assign those storage locations.
Mm, correct.
So here I have entered SU01 means I am maintaining my storage location within this plant. Means my plant is one location. Within the location, I am maintaining sub locations.
Okay.
Correct?
Yeah.
You see here, just I will draw one picture. This is my plant.
Okay.
Okay. Again, I am entering here. Okay, sorry. For example, take this. This is my, okay, sorry. Go here. I will take this. I will make it as a, I will make it as a black so that you can understand. So insert shape here. This is my, this portion. This portion is raw material storage location. This portion is raw material storage location.
Yeah.
And again, this is a portion where I will store my finished product storage location, right? And whatever this is there, these are all the production lines. And overall, this entire unit is plant, right?
Okay.
Within the plant, I have one location, I have another location. Think that this is a SU01 plant. SU01 plant. Whenever you enter here SU01 plant, it is taking this entire area, entire plant. So I'm
Okay.
entering into the plant. Okay. Within this plant, within this plant, I am maintaining this portion and this portion. I am dividing two portions or three portions. This is one storage location. This is storage location two.
Correct.
So whenever you define the storage location, so you are defining under which?
Yeah.
You are defining under plant only.
Correct.
So assignment and definition both will be simultaneously you are doing. Because of that, here the assignment or defining they have not taken. They have taken the wording as
Okay.
maintaining the particular location within the plant.
Okay. So
Because
yeah, there will be some instance like where storage location is beyond, means like it is not under the plant.
that kind of where you have seen any example you can show me.
Uh, no, I don't
No,
remember as of now.
in SAP, if you have identified, if you have seen that, can you explain me where you have seen?
No, 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 I don't remember as of now.
Right. See, I too also, I didn't see that kind of scenarios. If it is there, might be, there might be a, some separate modules are there. EWM, it is a very vast, complex scenarios of various storage location. Within the storage location, you will have a various sub locations, right? You will have a
Correct.
grid points, X and Y axis. For example, think that this raw material storage location, it is having a, okay, it is having around 100 square meter area or 100 square feet area. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so it is a very big, okay, very big storage location. You are keeping so many raw materials here. If you give general terminology as RM storage location, okay, if you have kept your thousands of material in real time scenario, you will have a thousand of material. If you talk about the FMCG product, or if you talk about the raw material part, right? Raw material is very huge materials will be there. There are plenty of material will be used for to convert the finished product. If
Yeah.
for example, if you want to see your nut and bolt storage location, if I say go to a RM storage location, find it. So will you able to find it?
No.
Within this location, 100 square feet of location, are you able to identify this nut and bolt?
No. No.
I will ask particularly, I want the 18 bolt. Whether you are able to identify this? No.
Yeah. Like.
Then there is a model called EWM, Extended Warehouse Management.
Yeah.
So where you will have a bin storage system.
Right.
For each bin is a just racks. Within the racks, you will have a okay x and y axis, So for example, x will be h1, y will be y1, where it will meet. Okay, h1 y1. This is a exact bin storage location. So what they will do, they will go to the H1 rack and they will see the Y1 location and they identify this particular rack or particular tray. From this, they will pick up the 18 bolt.
Correct.
This whatever I explained, this is a real-time scenario only. Okay.
Yeah.
If you go any warehouses, you can find like this only.
Okay. Sir, in this case, then PGI will be done by warehouse management only, right? Or it is somewhat different.
EGI is responsibility of the SD consultant only. Okay.
Yeah.
So SD consultant only, and in which again the configuration is SD consultant, but particularly about the role and assignment, it is purely the logistics section. So under the logistics section, there might be a some okay dispatch section will be there. If in some cases warehouse management is there, WM person will do. If there is a EWM is there, the EWM person will be do the PGI. Because what he will do, the picking. See, there are three processes, right? During the order fulfillment processing, there are two processes. One is pick,
Pack.
means picking the material
Process.
from the this bin storage, right?
Correct.
After that, if you have warehouse management system or EWM management system, if the particular product you are going for the special packing, there will be a packing process. Then after packing, it will be moved, right? After
Yeah.
packing, this product will be moved to where? Shipping point.
Correct.
Shipping point is the point where you will do the loading activity, right?
Yeah.
Means there will be a manual loading, right? Human will, there are laborers, they will carry the product or pack and they will, okay, they will climb on the truck, they will keep the pack into the truck.
Correct.
Once the loading is been completed, they do the PGI, means goods issue, post goods issue. This means once they process this step, your stock will be reduced from this storage location.
Yeah.
Earlier, there is a 50 stock. You have loaded 10 stock. Okay, you have loaded 10 quantity. Then the net stock will be 40 stock. Where is this 10 stock? This will be in transit.
Correct.
Others, you also understand this concept. This is very general concept. Those who are already working in some industries, they can easily identify. They can easily understand this concept. Those who are new, if you have again doubt, you can feel free to ask. Why there are people's like again joining with the same different IDs or what? Or are you facing some issues, network issues? Because I'm seeing in between someone is leaving, someone is admitting. Any issues in the network?
Yeah, sir. Me and Nagesh is facing some network issues.
Okay. Okay, but and try to use the same email IDs which I have shared the meeting link. If you are
Yeah, sir.
asked like, if you are using
It is
different
same.
mail IDs na, then I have to permit you for the admission. Sometimes during the explanation, if I not seen that, okay, then you will not be entered into the class. That's why try to use the same email IDs, whatever you have given.
Okay, sir.
Right. Others, any doubt in this? आकाश आपका डाउट क्लियर है ना?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Okay. Others, if you have doubt, please feel free to ask. Otherwise, uh, if you are okay, okay, I do not have the second again the 8:30 to 10 p.m. batch. If you are okay, I will continue the assignment part. Otherwise, if you are okay for tomorrow, let me know the tomorrow availability time. We can do the assignment part on tomorrow. Because I want to go very slowly so that you should not feel that you have not understood. I went on the very fast way. Main important is you are understanding the entire process is very important and you have to run the show independently.
Mhm. Sir, what we can do is we can practice this today, okay, or like tomorrow, whatever we don't have will come up tomorrow and do the assignment part then. Because assignment part doesn't take much time, right?
Assignment part hardly I can say 15 to 20 minutes. If I go very slowly also, hardly it will take half an hour. If I go very slowly.
Yeah, no worries. Like it's fine for mine. You can go ahead now.
Others, what you say? Please speak up. If you keep calm, then what should I understand?
Yes, sir, you can take tomorrow.
Tomorrow. So tomorrow, what time? Others, are you available tomorrow? And if you are available, what time is okay? Let me know so that I can take the classes on the particular time because everyone has to be attend that session.
Sir, we can discuss it over here only, right?
Yeah, we can discuss here only. We can fix here only. We have enough time. No problem.
Yeah. 10
I will
o'clock in the
wait.
morning.
I will wait for your all opinions. What all others says. Naresh,
Uh,
let me ask one by one. Naresh, what is your convenient time?
Sir, anything is fine.
Anything is fine. Right. Akash,
yeah, anything will work.
Kishore,
Sir, morning 10,
morning,
10 a.m. sir.
morning 10 a.m. Okay. What about evening? Whether if not possible evening, agar if I keep evening,
Sir, morning time is fine. We will find, uh, evening time to practice or, go through the earlier documents.
correct. Money, is it okay?
Sir, anytime is convenient for me.
Okay. Nagesh, Nagesh.
Sir, anytime is okay, sir.
Okay. Shreya,
Oh, yes, sir. Anytime is okay.
Srivani,
Yeah, anything would be fine for me.
same 10 a.m. is okay.
Yeah.
Suchita,
Anytime is okay, sir.
right. Teju,
Okay, sir, anytime.
okay, fine. So let's connect tomorrow 10 a.m. We'll complete the assignment part. And if you are okay, I may take next topic also. Otherwise, I will leave you to practice. and we can continue our regular topic or next topic from Monday. We'll decide tomorrow. Okay, as of now, we are going to connect tomorrow 10 a.m.
Sure, sir.
and communicate, if possible, communicate to Rajlakshmi and Sanket. Okay, I will communicate to Shobha.
Okay, sir.
Done. How do you feel today? Is it okay? The speed is correct and understand the concept is everything is done right.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. This speed is fine.
And it's
Yes,
your
sir.
call. It's your call, not mine call. I will go as per your requirement. And finally, you are the gainer, not me. What I will do, my job is I have to explain and share my knowledge. But gaining the knowledge, understanding the concept, doing the transaction independently, it's your role. If you are capable to do that and deliver that and able to do the transaction independently, that will give the result to me. That is my returns. Okay, friends. Thank you. Thank you for your understanding and the cooperation. We will continue with the same, okay, same way, and we will continue many more topics here. Thank you and good night. Happy weekend. Let's connect tomorrow 10 a.m.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Sure. Bye
Thank you,
bye
sir.
bye 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 bye.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. And Mani, Nagesh, and Suchita. So,
Yeah, sir.
because how do you practice?
Sir, today we are going to make the payment, sir. Tomorrow we can give the access.
Because tomorrow, if you make the payment tomorrow, I will push for the credentials. Okay.
Today we are going to make the payment, sir.
Okay.